Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm looking wretched, ugly, whatever you want to call it. I'm wearing a jacket. My hair is fading. What's new? Anyways, happy Thanksgiving everyone. Today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me for Thanksgiving, you know. Might as well do a video of what I'm going to do my makeup on today. Even though I am posting a video today, even though you won't see this video, so who knows when, but happy Thanksgiving. But yeah, that video is uploading right now, so yeah, you guys will at least get a video on Thanksgiving. It's just not my Thanksgiving video. Yeah, anyways, I don't know if I even showed you in that video, like, look at my nails. Aren't they just so cute? I already have my brows on, obviously, as every YouTuber always says, but we can clearly see you have your eyebrows on. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So today we are having Thanksgiving dinner at our house. Wait, I look so ugly. Like, will this help? Why did I wear this? Anyways, we are having Thanksgiving dinner at our new house, but we aren't cooking. I'm gonna be 21 now. I don't know how to cook a turkey. And I'm not about to try and have it be my first time for everyone to try and it suck and it's on Thanksgiving. No. I'm back. I changed my shirt, put my hair up. I'm just gonna have to face that I look like shit right now. Yeah, I'm not putting my outfit on until I'm done with my makeup because I'm wearing a black shirt and I just don't want to. I think I'm just gonna go in with my James Charles palette, my OG palette that I just go back into almost every day. Or I would use my Kylie Summer palette, but I just don't feel like using it. This shade all over my lid. This shade over here. I'm going to use that to kind of like outline a crease on my eye. So to blend this out, I'm going to use this shade. Okay, so I just did my eyes. I concealed right there, and then I put that one brown shade that I did the crease on, and I put it right here to blend it in and do some eyeliner. I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. eyeliner like always. Now, I really love this eyeliner, just that when you do get it like really close down, like right here, my eyes like sweat. I don't know, but it makes it kind of like fade down a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm back. I put my lashes on too, and I'm just using my Dodo lashes in the style D115. You can use my code GLAM. Okay, so yeah, these are the style D115. I will link my code below so you guys can get some coins off. And yeah, and then I also did change my shirt. I'm in my outfit for Thanksgiving. First, I'm going to put on my Kylie moisturizer. I'm going to be using my Born This Way foundation in the shade Vanilla. Okay, now that I have my brush, I did not need 2.5 pumps. I literally needed 1. So I'm going to go over this with my beauty blender. Also, I am leaving for work this Sunday. Instead of my normal job that I would be going to a different like store every day, like I told you, like we would change out hydraulic fittings in a different store. Now that was where we would send our fittings back from those stores. We are going to that plant and we are going to go through our parts. So We're gonna be at one facility for like almost a month, I think. No, not even, like a week or two. And then we're gonna go do some of our old jobs that needed to be done. And then we're gonna go back to the plant. So I'm gonna be working from like 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and let me just tell you, that is so much better than what we thought we were gonna get, because if we were gonna get another job like within our company, we would have had to be working from 7 a.m. to 6 or 7 p.m. and then sometimes if you needed if they made you do overtime, it'd be till 9 p.m. Like, I'm not about that. And it's hard labor. Like, I gotta like build stuff, I have to lift things, I have to, oh my god. Cali concealer in the shade Stone. I like this concealer better than the Tarte Shape Tape because it's not as thick, so it doesn't feel like I'm like putting a whole other foundation layer on, because I hate that. Just gonna go in with my sponge. With my Anastasia contour kit, and I don't think I ever even show you really what shade I use in this. I usually just use this middle shade, which is the light Sculpt shade, or I mix it in with this Havana shade. Yeah. My Anastasia powder in the shade Vanilla, and I'm gonna press it into my skin until it disappears. Fit Me powder, and I'm just gonna put this everywhere I didn't bake. Contour powder, and I'm just gonna be using my Hoola bronzer, the mini one, because I want a good contour to it. Okay, now I'm just going to use that brush that I used to blend that brown shade, and I'm going to put some eyeshadow underneath my eyes. My new highlight, Ice Me Out by Kylie. So sharp. Now for my bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with my Tarteist mascara. So this is pretty much my finished look. I know it's pretty boring, but yeah. So I'm going to go get my hair done, get dressed, and then I'll come back to do like a whole like finished look, and I'll be back.